It's curtains for these mini blinds. If you've been around the channel at all, you'll know that I hate the metal mini blinds that came with our Casita trailer. They are right next to our bed and make a big clanging noise every time we bump into them, like in the middle of the night. We thought about what options we could go with. I really wanted it to be darker inside. We have been planning a trip to Alaska, and I think it would be difficult to sleep inside a bright travel trailer. We looked at some other types of mini blinds. I really liked the honeycomb blinds, but I couldn't find any that were room darkening. Then I found these room darkening curtains at Walmart, but how to install them? I perused the Casita Decorators forum and couldn't find a good way to install the curtains, but then Doug came up with this. He purchased some 1/2-inch metal bars. He cut them to size. After that, he tapered the edge so it wouldn't be sharp, and then painted them black. He had to drill holes in the bars to match the screws that hold the window on. Then he removed those screws and added a metal bar on the top and the bottom. I originally thought I would put magnets on the bottom of the curtains to keep more light out. I bought the magnets and will probably use them later, before we go to Alaska. Doug attached the curtain rod holder to the bar. Hey, if you're enjoying our content, consider supporting us. One way to support us is by sending us super thanks. Also, you can go to the resources page at travelsandtravails.com and make a purchase. Whatever we earn, we reinvest in more content like this. Back to the curtains. The curtains I purchased were too long, so I had to hem them. I bought the curtains and the rods from Walmart. I bought the Mainstays grommeted blackout curtains and 5/8-inch nickel ball rods. I measured the length of the window to decide how long they needed to be. Then I calculated the amount for the hem. I gritted my teeth while I cut the fabric off the bottom. I ironed the hem, then hemmed them on the sewing machine. The first one didn't turn out great, but I think overall they turned out okay. I'm not much of a seamstress, but I really like the look of the curtains, and they're pretty dark. I put the curtains on the rods and hung them. There's a little bit of overhang on the ends to completely cover the window. So I had to put them on like this. It works, and I think it looks better. And they still open up all the way so we can see outside.